Hello everyone. Today I'm making very delicious ice cream. You know what is this? This is custard apple ice cream and it's very delicious, yummy. And there is a season now custard apples you can do this. It's very easy. So what we had to do is buy some custard apple, good one, ripe one, and we have to remove the seeds. For that, I have an idea. So you can put those custard apple in the blender. So just blend it, and then it will be very easy to remove the seeds because it separates the seeds and pulp. So then the when you once you have blended and then try to remove all the seeds, it will come easily. Okay, so then what you have to do is keep it ready, that one. And now we have to grind some ingredients. We have to make ice cream. If you have a ice cream machine, that's the best idea, you can use that one. So now start grinding. For grinder, mixer jar, you can add soaked cashews. Like you can take approximately like 10 to 12 like that, and add half of the custard apple, and then cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon, and 1 tablespoon of jaggery syrup I have added. If you want the more sweeter, you can go for add one more tablespoon if you want. Mine is so sweet custard apple, it doesn't require any much sweetener. So 1 tablespoon for me is good, fine. And I have grinded that into smooth paste. Then you add a remaining pulp, just mix with a spoon, that's it, no need to grind again. And this is awesome, right? It's done. How much time it took? Only little, right? And you can put that in a container, any glass container. You can keep this in a freezer overnight or 4 to 7 hours. Then it will be ready. Before serving, keep it this out for room temperature little bit, like 5 minutes, that is enough, or 2 minutes is also enough. Now it's ready. You can decorate with any toppings. You can put any toppings. So see how beautiful it is, and it's very very delicious. I loved the taste. It was awesome, mind blowing. Like my mouth is watering now. Also, I tasted it, and it's so delicious. It came out very well. You guys also try this because now there is a season. Just buy custard apple some more and try this. And remember, where it should be ripened one, and mine was sweeter one, so it was very delicious. So, okay, guys, this is it. It's very delicious. Please try this in your home, and you can serve this even for your guest and everyone in your home also. And try, please try, and let me know in the comment how it turned out. Mine is so delicious. It's perfect. You can add some more sweetener if you want. Thank you for watching. Namaste.